Assalamualaikum and hello. In this video, we are going to continue with the second subtopics of chapter 7, where we are going to focus about molecular shape. In this subtopic, you are going to learn how to explain the valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, or we call it as a VSEPR theory, and you have to know how to draw the basic molecular shapes and also predict with explanation of how the shapes of molecule and bond angles in a given species. So, what is VSEPR theory? VSEPR theory is the theory where the electron pairs surrounding a central atom will repel one another. Maknanya electron pairs akan menolak antara satu sama lain dan kita fokus di bahagian central atom. And what will happen when it repel one another? It will arrange themselves as far apart as possible in order to minimize the repulsion. So this is a theory that is going to use to predict the shape of covalent molecules or polyatomic ions. And how you want to predict the shape, you are going to calculate and determine the number and geometric arrangement for electron pairs around the central atom. So that is why you have to know how to draw the Lewis structure and also balance all the electrons around central atoms. And from there, you can determine the shape of molecule based on sigma bond. For example, you have single bond, so the sigma will be 1 sigma bond. And then for example, you got double bond, so 2 dash, it means that the first bond is sigma bond, the second one is pi bond. And we have the third example, you got triple bond, the first bond is sigma, the second is pi, and the third is pi bond. So this is what you should know about VSEPR theory. Alright, I talk about electron pair around the central atom. So what is electron pair? Electron pair ada dua jenis. Yang pertama adalah bonding pair electrons dan yang kedua adalah lone pair electrons. So usually bonding pair we will draw as single dash and one dash equivalent to 2 electrons. And for lone pair biasanya kita akan draw as 2 dots and each dots mewakili satu elektron. So bila 2 dots, 2 electrons. And what will happen next? Awak kena faham different type of electron pair memberikan strength yang berbeza. Contohnya, for bonding pair, it is strongly attracted by the nucleus of two bonded atoms and it occupies less space compared to lone pair electrons when we do the 3D arrangement of molecular shape. Tapi, untuk lone pair dia experience greater repulsion from neighboring lone pairs and bonding pairs. So, maknanya daya tolakan untuk lone pair electrons lebih tinggi daripada bonding pair. Dan that's why lone pair electrons occupy more space compared to bonding pair. And when you want to differentiate the order of the strength for repulsion between electron pairs, awak boleh lihat di sini, bonding pair dengan bonding pair adalah the weakest one dan lone pair with lone pair is the strongest one. So I take 3 examples of molecules. Di sini saya ada CH4, saya ada NH3 dan saya ada H2O. So when you draw the Lewis structure, you can see that for CH4 kita hanya ada bonding pair bonded kepada 4 hydrogen atoms. While for NH3, you got 3 bonding pairs but 1 lone pair. So warna oranye ni awak bayangkan dia adalah lone pair. And for H2O, we got 2 bonding pairs and 2 lone pairs. And then what can you see here? Bila kita talk about arrangement of electrons, dia akan mengalami repulsion, daya tolakan antara electron pair. Tetapi bila awak lihat di sini, tolakan antara lone pair dengan bonding pair lagi kuat berbanding kepada bonding pair dengan bonding pair. So that's why bentuk dia akan berubah antara satu sama lain. Dan daya tolakan itu menyebabkan bentuk dia makin mengecil, dan that's why the angle of that structure akan berbeza antara satu sama lain. As you can see here, untuk bahagian angle daripada bonding pair kepada bonding pair in CH4, dia adalah 109.5, tetapi kerana ada lone pair untuk NH3, so lone pair ini akan menolak. So dia menolak, dan apa yang terjadi, hasil tolakan ini menyebabkan sudut di bahagian sini makin mengecil. So that's why the value keeps decreasing. And the same case for H2O, bilangan lone pair dia makin bertambah. So strength of lone pair dengan lone pair paling kuat di sini, dan apa yang terjadi, dia akan makin menolak. So that's why angle dia makin mengecil berbanding dengan NH3. So itulah yang dimaksudkan dengan strength of repulsion between electron pairs. Dan mesti ingat, angle hanya wujud antara bonding pair dengan bonding pair sahaja. Angle tidak wujud untuk lone pair dengan lone pair, tidak wujud untuk lone pair dengan bonding pair. So that's all about the introduction for VSEPR theory and types of electron pairs. I hope you understand about what I'm talking about in this video, because for the next video we are going to use electron pair knowledge in order to determine the molecular geometry of any molecules for any species. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.